What's happening, YouTube? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys some tips and tricks on how to pass your G1. Let's get right into it. Before I did my G1 test, I realized some of these tips and tricks, and I thought I should let you guys know as well, so you guys can be successful when you guys go do your G1. Now, before you do anything else, first you have to study. So there are two methods of studying. One, which is by book, and two, which is by doing it online, like tests and stuff like that. Now, what I use to study is this book right here, and basically it's by Ontario, and it helped me study the rules, like the basic rules and what I needed for the G1. From there, I started doing online tests, and every single day I dedicated at least 1 hour or 2 hours just doing tests and tests and tests until I got 100% on each one. Now, once you feel fully prepared for the test, you can go to your closest Service Ontario, and what you want to do is you want to get there super early in the morning, like right when they start, because later during the day there's going to be lots of rush, so make sure you get there early so you can go and write your test. So here's tip number one. Basically, when you're going to write your G1 test, you want to look for the safest answer. The most safest and most logical answer that makes sense, that's like safest for you and the other person basically. So you want to look for that, and if it's the safest answer on the thing, it's most probably right. Tip number two, you want to look for the longest answer on the test. The most fully explained answer will almost always be right. And last but not least, tip number three, don't be nervous when you're doing the test. Honestly, if you're nervous, it's just gonna mess it up for you, and you're not gonna feel like you're gonna pass. Go in there, be fully confident, and just know that you're gonna kill it. So there you guys have it. Those are some tips and tricks to help you guys on your G1 test. And to be honest, G1 test is super easy. I honestly feel that you guys will do great. So just be confident when you go into there and just do amazing. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.